Okay, for number 6, we have exponents on both sides. So we might want to think about what we did before. What we did before was try to get the bases to be the same. So let's think about 4 and 9. Can we make 4 and 9 be the same base? No. 4 would be like a base of 2. 9 would be a base of 3. That's just not going to work. So we're stuck. What do we do when we're stuck? Change forms. So I'm going to write over here on the side, log, and then I'm going to do the woo. You ready for the woo?
Yes.
Woo! Okay, now this is a little bit weird because the right side of the equation has something with an exponent. So log base 4 of this whole thing, 9 to the x minus 2, equals x. If you're thinking, but wait a minute, we still have x as an exponent, this is not okay. There's a property we learned when we were expanding logs. What happens with exponents inside logs? They move in front. So this becomes x minus 2 times the log base 4 of 9 equals x. Can we do the log base 4 of 9? We know how to do that. So in our calculator, do log base 4 of 9. See what decimal you get for that. Excuse me. Okay. This equation is only difficult because you're not used to solving equations with decimals. What do you do when you see parentheses with multiplication? Distribute. You're going to distribute this to both of these numbers. So we have 1.585x negative 2 times 1.585. So minus 3.17 equals x. We want to get all of our x's to the same side. On the right side, this is a 1x. We're going to subtract 1.585x from both sides. That will give us negative 3.17 equals... No, I don't want to manage my Amazon subscriptions. Go away. Go away. There we go. 1.585. So I got negative 0.585x. What do I need to do to finish solving this? Divide by negative 0.585. So negative 3.17 divided by negative 0.585. 5.42. X equals 5.42. Okay. On a test, I might give you one of these, and I might make it a multiple choice question so that you could potentially plug your answer in to check instead of having to solve it all the way out. But let's do this one more time. We've got 2 to the stuff equals 5 to the stuff. I can't make 2 and 5 match. So I'm going to change forms. Log base 2 of 5 raised to the 2x equals that whole exponent 3x minus 7. This one might actually be a little bit easier than the last one because I don't think it's going to involve the distributive property. Okay. Exponents don't stay as exponents. They move in front. So this is 2x times the log base 2 of 5 equals 3x minus 7. Okay, so step 1, change forms. Step 2, bring the exponent down. Step 3, we can do log base 2 of 5 in our calculator. Oops, I lost my equal sign. Okay, we have 2x times 2.322. We can do 2.322 times 2. This is 4.644x on the left equals 3x minus 7. What do you think we need to do next? Subtract 3x. That's going to give us 1.644x equals negative 7. And finally, divide by 1.644. And you should get about negative 4.26. On your assignment today, worksheet 6, I'm going to have you do numbers 1 through 5 and 7 and 8.